Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did kind of make its way up a little bit today, which was kind of expected. I really need to see a break and hold above this structure to really confirm that we have a decent move to the upside, but I now have my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down. I think the minimum that this is going to do is a correction that would go someplace between the 38 and the 78%. I think more likely probably a higher number like the 61 or the 78. And if it does, give you a nice Fibonacci bounce after making 3 waves up, I definitely would take it as a short. But looking at the very high time frames like the weekly time frame and especially the weekly and monthly, I still think there's a pretty good chance that this could not even break structure and just continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So I'm definitely keeping a very close eye on my Fibonacci levels on the way up, just in case we do get a fib bounce and a break of structure. Otherwise, I'm going to continue to look for longs, hold on to longs, and try to go long again at the end of every pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.